This. What the fuck? What the shit? What the? What the fuck? Oh my god! What? Fuck this guy! Fuck this! Fuck this! Fuck this!
Kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando.
No, it's something about that song that just make you wanna.
Hey, listen.
My cat died today.
Get a new one.
Good day, mama.
Trouble! He's gonna go, hello? 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 He joins the call, surely.
Hello? What? Hello? What? Hello? What? Are you alright? Are you okay?
She gotta say please.
Say please.
And I know they really wish we would fall. Till we fall on the big bad wolves with a full moon, y'all.
There's a spider on my shirt. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's no spider on my shirt.
Dad, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you know what? You know what?
Oh shit!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey, Fundy. G bent Ian bitch. G bent Ian bitch. G bent in bitch. G bent in bitch.
Tommy, you're saying you're the bitch. You need to say ich bin ein bitch. You gotta say ich bin ein bitch.
No, Google Translate says I'm saying you are a bitch.
No, you're saying yeah.
G bent in bitch.
Anything that you see anything that you see that's good about Dream on the internet, that's probably Dream that wrote it. Like nothing is good about Dream.
That's not true. That's not true. You know it's not true. That's not what you told me last night.
What does that even mean?
I'm out here on the come up. I beat the pussy drummer. I roll up no more drummer. She give me what I wanna.
All of my friends got to go into the cinema, but I couldn't because I was too short and they thought I was 11. True story. True story.
Okay.
I was too short. So they were like, no, you're not tall enough.
That is so funny.
I know, and I was actually 13 at the time. I was more than capable.
Chill.
Oh, come on now.
Winter time, all the time, oh, yeah. Look at the way that I move.
Man, you in trouble. NBA playoffs, that ass, it's a bubble. Come on.